Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So guys, it's that time of the year. It is Cookmas, and today is Cookmas Day 1. So we're going to go ahead and start things off by making a delicious brunch that you can make for your family or for a holiday gathering. We're going to go ahead and make a tasty Kentucky hot brown bake. Now for those of you who are not familiar with the Kentucky hot brown, it consists of usually turkey, bacon, and tomato on toast, served under an amazing cheese sauce. It's definitely a sandwich you want to give a try at least one time in your life. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and make a quick version of that in a casserole form. So if all of this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Christmas is coming, start sending your letters off to Santa. Christmas is coming, yeah. Better be nice if you want your present. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Staying up late looking out the window, yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Spotting some sleigh rides and some jingle bells. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Roasting some chestnuts on the fire, yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Celebration and surprises. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too.
Alright you guys, so here is my take on a Kentucky hot brown bake. Has all the goodness of the traditional Kentucky hot brown inside, all those delicious layers of the turkey and the bacon and the tomatoes, and it's all encased in that delicious Swiss cheese sauce. Definitely give this one a try guys, you won't be disappointed. Hopefully you did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you did enjoy the recipe. Share this video out. Share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and happy holidays. Bye guys.
Christmas is coming, yeah. Start sending your letters off to Santa.